Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to recreate this colorful purple and turquoise eyeshadow look. If you guys want to see how I recreated this look right here, please keep on watching. To start off, I just want to start by saying that I already did my eyebrows and I already set my eyes off camera. We are going to be using the amazing Douce palette by Juvia's Place. Using a small blending brush, we are going to start off with the peach color right there. We are going to apply it onto the crease, but we aren't going to apply it onto the whole crease, just half of it. I switched blending brushes in the middle of the video just so I could be able to blend everything more smoother and for it to look better, you know? Going in with the purple shade, we are going to apply it onto the rest of our crease. After we finish applying the purple, we're going to go in with a Take Me Back to Brazil palette. We're going to dip our blending brushes into the darkest shade in the palette. Just apply this shade onto the end of our crease. MFAO guys, I couldn't find my pro concealer, so I had to go in with what I had. But I went in with the Outlast Concealer by CoverGirl and my Morphe M508. Alright guys, to create this type of crease, I started off in the inner corner of my eyes. Then I made my way onto the middle of my eyelids. But instead of fading it out like a half cut crease, we're going to shape it like a circle, you know? We're going to make it round. Okay guys, I don't know about you, but let me tell you something. I'm in love with that metallic green shade. Okay guys, we're going to apply this shade onto the crease we created. This color is just simply amazing. But notice how I'm just tapping the color onto the crease and that's it. Okay guys, using this really thin brush, I'm going to create something that's gonna look like a liner. I don't know how to call it, but yeah, it's going to connect to the rest of the look. It's going to start off with the peach color, going to the violet purple that we used, and then applying the same violet purple onto the end of our creases. finish applying all the colors, I'm going to go in with my silver glitter liner from NYX, and I'm going to outline the green crease. Okay guys, this is it for today's video, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video and please keep on watching.